It doesn't happen overnight. There's no dramatic argument, no sudden decision to leave. A woman doesn't walk away in one day. She disconnects piece by piece, moment by moment. One day, she stops arguing. Then, she stops sharing. Eventually, she stops caring. By the time you realize something is wrong, she's already emotionally gone. Harriet Lerner, in The Dance of Anger, explains, women are taught that anger is bad, that expressing it makes them difficult, but anger, when understood, is a tool for transformation. Women don't leave because of one big fight. They leave because of the thousand small moments where they felt unheard, unseen, unvalued. Here are 7 unspoken signs that a woman is emotionally done in a relationship, and more importantly, how to fix it before it's too late. She stops fighting because she no longer hopes for change. The opposite of love isn't hate, it's indifference. At first, she fought because she believed in the relationship. She raised her voice, she cried, she begged for change. But now, she doesn't bother anymore. Rachel used to argue with her husband every time he dismissed her feelings. She used to say, "Can't you just listen to me for once?" Now she just nods, "You're right," and walks away. Not because she agrees, but because she has given up. If she's still arguing, there's still hope. Instead of dismissing her, lean in, ask, "What do you need from me?" and actually listen. Reignite the emotional connection. Small moments of validation. "I see why that hurt you," can rebuild lost intimacy. She no longer shares her thoughts and feelings. Silence is not peace. Sometimes it's emotional starvation. She used to tell you about her dreams, her worries, the funny thing that happened at work. Now she keeps things to herself. She tells her friends, her journal, the empty night air. But not you. Lisa was once an open book with her husband, but after years of feeling unheard, she slowly stopped turning the pages. One night, she told him she was feeling overwhelmed. He barely looked up from his phone and said, "You'll be fine." She never shared again. A woman needs to feel that her emotions are valued. Start with simple but powerful questions. How was your day? What's on your mind? And actually care about the answer. Make space for her voice. If she hesitates to open up, say, "I miss hearing your thoughts." Let her know she's safe to share again. She spends more time alone and prefers it that way. She used to crave time with you. Now she prefers solitude. She stays up late reading instead of lying next to you. She takes longer walks by herself. She feels more at peace when you're not in the room. Emily once loved Sunday mornings with her husband. Coffee, music, easy conversation. But over time, she noticed something strange. She felt lighter when he wasn't there. The house felt calmer. She had more room to breathe. Ask yourself, when was the last time she felt joy in my presence? Find those moments and recreate them. Reconnect with small gestures. Bring her coffee in bed. Sit beside her without distraction. Let her feel your presence as a comfort, not a burden. Point 4. She doesn't react to your words or actions anymore. Once she cared how you spoke to her, she used to get upset when you ignored her or when you brushed off her feelings. Now she just doesn't react. Samantha's husband made a sarcastic joke at her expense at dinner. A year ago, she would have confronted him. This time, she just looked at him blankly, took another bite, and kept eating. No anger, no sadness, just nothing. Indifference is the final stage before emotional detachment. If she stops reacting, you need to start acting, apologizing, acknowledging, repairing. Say, "I feel like I've lost you. Can we talk?" Let her know you notice the distance and want to close it. She no longer plans a future with you in it. She used to say, "One day we should visit Paris." Now she says, "I think I want to go to Paris someday." Notice the difference? We has become. Mark noticed his wife no longer talked about their future together. When he asked about next year's vacation, she said, "I don't know. Maybe I'll take a solo trip." Resentment grows when dreams are unspoken. Ask her what she wants from life and how you can be part of it. Start making future plans together again. Ask, "What's one thing we haven't done in a long time that you miss?" She starts living as if she's already single. She's finding new hobbies, reconnecting with old friends, doing things that make her happy. Without you. It's not independence. It's emotional preparation. Natalie stopped checking in with her husband before making plans. She stopped waiting for him. One night he asked, "Where are you going?" She just smiled and said, "Out, Harriet Lerners." If she's building a new life without you, ask, "How can I be part of what makes you happy again?" Show up in her world. Take interest in what she loves. Be someone she enjoys sharing life with again. She feels lighter when you're not around. The ultimate sign, she feels happier in your absence. One day after her husband left for work, Julia realized something. She exhaled. The house felt peaceful. She felt free. And for the first time in years, she thought, maybe I'd be happier alone. Harriet Lerners' advice. When a woman starts feeling relief when you're not around, it's time to reflect. Ask, when did we stop enjoying each other's presence? Rebuild joy together. Laughter, small surprises, shared experiences. These are the things that keep love alive. A woman doesn't leave when she stops loving you. She leaves when she realizes she's better off without you. If you've noticed these signs, don't wait until it's too late. Which of these signs resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Psyche Waltz for deep insights into relationships, psychology, and emotional connection. And remember, sometimes the loudest goodbye is silence.